Hello everyone, myself Surya from Pixel Infos. Today's topic is basic HTML for beginners. Before we see this, people who don't see my previous video, which is what is HTML, you can check out that. Let's quickly look into the today's agenda. Today's agenda is we will see what is doctype and then what is HTML tag and then what is head tag, body tag, and what is title tag and where do we use this and how do we use heading tags and what is break line and what is paragraph tag and how can we do that with this. And let's quickly move to the link tag, which is what is a link and where do we use this. Then finally we will end up this video with image tag, how to display an image with these tags. Let's quickly move to the topic. You can use a notepad or some other IDs like brackets or sublime text. I use bracket IDE for this. Create new file and save it as a .html format. And what is doctype? So doctype is a instruction of the web browser about HTML version. The HTML version is 4.1 or 4.5. The browser should know, that's why we use this. Every document type is initialized before the HTML tag, and we will see what is HTML tag. HTML tag is identifying a browser that this is an HTML tag or any else. That's why we use this HTML tag. This is a root of an HTML document, and document always start with HTML tag and end with /HTML. Inside this, we're going to write some other codes. And what is head tag? Head tag is a container of all the header element like title of the document or styles or anything else written inside this. And what is title tag? Title tag is start with title and end with /title. This is a document name of the title of the document name. I write a basic HTML as a document name and close the head tag. And this is the body tag. Body tag is every visible parts are only written inside the body tag, such as text, paragraph, or image. Everything are written inside this. We will see some other. Then we should know what is heading tag. Heading tag is used for heading of a content or a paragraph. It has a 6 type of heading tags and its size will vary for each tags. Then what are the 6 tags? First is h1. It ends with /h1. Title is what we can do with this basic HTML, and then save this. Then run the file which you have saved. I saved this by basics. You can run this. See here, the basic HTML is here. The h1 is the big HTML heading tag, and then the second is h2. This is little smaller than that h1. You can also see that. I save this and also run this. See here, the second heading tag is a little bit smaller than that. You can use up to h6, h3, h4, and h5. and height 6. I save this and totally I finally run this. You can see here the various size of a heading. See here, this is the biggest and the smaller than that. See the 6 types of headings here. Then you can use this as a center command. I use center command tag it to see here. It's come to center position, and I use. Let's see how to make a paragraph in this. The paragraph command is p. See, I use this here and save it, and I am running this. See, this is the paragraph here, and you can write anything here. See here, this is a paragraph line. See here, and how to break this line by line. Here, write a command of br. It will automatically move to the next line. Here, I command it on br. It will come to the next line. This is used for to break a line, and I want to make this line as a bold. Use b tag and end it here /b. Then save this, then run it. See here, this is come to in bold format, and we will see what is how to create a link tag to link on another page. We can use this here. A is a link tag, and given href is equal to inside this colon. You just put some other link. I just copy this and put here. You can put some other link between here and close the tag. Then you can name it some other things. I name it as selling post and close the tag of it. The link tag is always start with a and end with /a. Save this and run this. See here, sorry. See here, this is the pixel info. When I touch this, it automatically goes to an web page, YouTube page. Here, see here, this is my channel. That's why I link this. Then we can make a button in HTML. This is simple thing. View. Click on button tab and enter / button. Here you can write some other name for that button. I write and click button. Here's the click, and we can link an image to his to display here. Then how to display an image in HTML format? Write img src is an URL for that image, right? It's equal to, and in between the semicolon you can use some other image name dot jpg, and AD is an alternate name for that. If that image does not load, this name will print there. And we can also choose the width and image for that. Height for that image, width I choose 200, and height I choose also 200, and enter the tag. The image file does not need an end tag. I can save this and run this. Here you see the images appeared here, which I was given here. See, then not only this, for the heading you can use center tag. You can also use here as a center tag. Then I save this and then I run this. See here, I use break line to come in next line. See here, this is what I created. This is the heading lines, and this is the paragraph, and this is the link to connect on another page. Finally, I'm going to add up a background image to it. To add a background image, go to body tag and write style to this, and semicolon, sorry, equal to, and inside the double quotation write background image, and write URL with the open bracket, write your image name. My image is a GIF image, that's why I put .gif. Then finally, after the closing bracket, put semicolon in it, then save this, then run on the web browser. Here you see my GIF image is running on the background. Thanks for watching, guys.